Hello and welcome to Higher Rose Farm. This is up at Horndon, just on Dartmoor National Park, with really easy access to miles of outriding. So for anybody with equestrian pursuits, this property is perfect. At the moment, there's a range of stables. The house comes with an acre and there's an additional 3 acres available as a separate model. And a very versatile house which allows for 3 bedrooms and 2 letting units, or for 2 family occupation, or equally it could easily be knocked through back into one house, and the vendors are happy to accommodate with that should you so wish. But come on in and have a look.